What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're getting snitched on already. He wants us to think he's throwing trash away. He has power tools, but he's a snitch. All right, anyways, this is just an update of the car. 2 videos ago, I believe, I posted about getting a new car. It's a Mustang GT, as you can see right here. It says 5.0. Some people want to mess around and joke saying 5.0, but I ask you this, what color is your 460 horsepower? Anyways, got some new wheels, some Giovanna wheels. It's sideways right now. They don't sit like this because it's not a Rolls Royce. I'm not trying to pretend that it is. It's not a Chrysler 300 with Rolls Royce badges on it. Rear is staggered to the front, so we got wider on the back because it's a real muscle car. As you can see, I've been off-roading with all this debris. I couldn't afford to wash my car before the video because I spent all my money on gas. It gets like 9 miles per gallon. It's not because I drive with my foot on the gas. It's just because it's just. Got the window tint, of course, the limo blacked out window tint. Looks awesome. You can say hi. It's so reflective. Got the wheels. Oh yeah, and also I got just recently installed an X-pipe axle back exhaust. It's a MagnaFlow Outlaw is what the name is. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up just so you guys can hear it. Honestly, it's hard to hear on camera. Yeah, I'll go ahead and start it and then I'll get some rollers. Because I know the police are already on the way, so we're gonna find another location to get some drive-bys and just hear the sound of the car.
This crazy. This guy.
Virgin. Well, that's about it for you guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next week.
Suicide nighttime, no, we don't fight crime, oh.